If you've only got 1 minute, here's how you would prune a Floribunda rose. Remove dead, diseased, damaged and displaced stems. Then reduce the strongest remaining shoots down to 25 or 30 centimetres or roughly knee height. Prune back weak growth more severely to encourage strong growth from the base. Occasionally, some older stems can be pruned back hard to a few inches from the soil level. This also encourages strong new growth from the base. Another pro tip is to make sure that your secateurs are nice, clean and sharp, and don't forget your gloves. Here's some that have been pruned already, and you can see the dramatic difference between these and these that haven't been pruned. It may look drastic, but it's really not. The aim is to remove all the dead, diseased, damaged and displaced branches and encourage a nice open framework for this year's flowers. The best time to prune roses is mid to late winter when they're dormant, or if you live in a cold area, you can wait till March to avoid frost damage. Dead stems are easy to spot. Look for black or discoloured stems. Damaged and diseased stems can be a bit harder to identify, so look for scars and blotches, which can be a sign for black spot. You may not find any damaged stems, but if they're badly crossing, then they tend to rub against each other. Displaced stems are branches that are crossing or spoiling the shape of your rose. So we're aiming for an open goblet shape, allowing airflow through the bush to prevent disease and choosing the strongest, healthy stems for flowers this year. Now that we've removed all our dead, diseased, damaged and displaced stems, it's time to make our final cuts by reducing the rows to between 25 to 30 centimetres from the ground, or roughly knee height. To try to orientate your cut, aim to cut to an outward facing bud. Prune around 5 millimetres above a bud with a sloping cut away from the bud that will encourage water to run off and stop the cut from rotting. Sometimes the bud is easy to spot, like here, but sometimes they're not, like this one here. So you're basically just looking for a raised bump on the stem and you cut above that. Make your final cuts on the Floribunda about knee height. Then finish off by clearing all the cuttings away and then top it off with a nice mulch to give it a good feed and stop the spread of disease. If you have any questions, drop us a line in the comments below, and good luck with your roses.